Your ChatGPT responses suck, and it's not the AI, it's you. Here's the truth. Most business owners ask vague questions and get generic junk. And then they blame the tool, the old computer language, garbage in, garbage out. But here's the thing, ChatGPT mirrors what you give it. So what's the difference between a $10 response and a $500 response? It's just the way you ask. And that's exactly what we're about to show you. We're going to fix your prompts today and unlock the power you thought you were missing. My twin PY 3.0 is ready with the framework. So if you're ready to beef up your prompts, Twin is ready to show you the single framework you can use immediately. Killer prompts at the end.
Hey, I'm PY 3.0. While you're getting mediocre output, your competitors discovered something you haven't: a simple framework that turns every ChatGPT conversation into business results. And here's the weird part. Once you see it, you'll wonder how you ever missed something so obvious. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get outputs that actually move your business forward. Let's dive straight in. Part 1. The biggest mistake. Here's the most common mistake I see: generic prompts. We asked ChatGPT a generic prompt: write a marketing email. ChatGPT spits out a bland, nonsense response you could write in your sleep. Hi there. We've got a new product that can help grow your business fast. It's easy to use, affordable, and delivers great results. Click here to learn more and get started today. Best, the team. Now watch what happens when we give it actual context. Advanced prompt. I'm a freelance graphic designer specializing in brand identity for eco-conscious startups. Write a marketing email to existing clients announcing a new 2-week brand refresh service for $3,500. Tone. Warm and collaborative, not salesy. Include a soft call to action for a free 20-minute consultation. See that? Now check out the response. Hope you're doing well. I've been thinking about the work we did together and wanted to offer something short, simple, and strategic for where a lot of eco startups are right now. Think of it like this. If you hired someone and just said, do marketing, they'd be lost. But with context about your business and goals, they could actually help. Here's a simple formula I use for every prompt. The context formula 1. Role. Who are you? Second situation. What's the background? Third task. What do you need? Fourth. Format tone. How should it sound? 5. Constraints. Any limits? You don't need all 5 every time, but the more you add, the better it gets. Now let's talk about tasks most people have no idea ChatGPT can handle. These are game changers. All right, buckle up. This is where it gets wild. Task number 1, role play, tough conversations. I need to talk to a client requesting revisions outside our scope. Role play this. You're the client, I'll respond. After each exchange, give me feedback on clarity and professionalism. Task number 2, competitive analysis. Ready to stop guessing? Use the prompt below to turn competitors' weak spots into wins. Task number 3, financial projections. Yes, ChatGPT does math. I'm a wedding photographer charging $2,000 per wedding, booking 2 per month. I want $100,000 annually. Show 3 scenarios. 1, raise prices. 2, more clients. 3, add workshops. Include the math and 3 action steps for each. Financial planning without the spreadsheet migraine. The iteration game. Here's what nobody tells you. Your first output doesn't have to be your final output. ChatGPT is a partner, not a vending machine. You wouldn't expect perfection from a teammate on round 1, right? If the output's close but not perfect, refine it. Make it more conversational. Add specific benefits in section 1. The CTA's weak. Make it urgent without being pushy. Think of ChatGPT like a collaborative partner. You wouldn't expect a team member to nail something perfectly on the first try. You'd give feedback and refine it together. If the output isn't quite right, don't start over. Just say, make the tone more conversational, add more specific benefits, make the call to action more urgent, add a FAQ section. Each iteration gets you closer to exactly what you need.
So please do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It signals also to YouTube that you like that type of information, and it will feed you more what you like. But be sure to watch our next video. It is going to blow you away.